So it's now Saturday morning. Austin is here. Dom is on his way, and we are headed up to Boston in a bit. Right now we're watching Subdue Perfect, and Colin is having ramen at 11 o'clock in the morning. That's cool. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Yo, TJ, you want to do a vlogception?
Dude,
I got my own vlog, bro.
Are you vlogging right now?
Dude.
Okay.
Let's get it.
We'll get this set up here. The lighting's super harsh. I'm having a hard time finding my white balance. Okay.
You just gotta throw that stuff on auto, dude.
Yeah.
Phone does it for me.
You're filming from your phone, right?
Yeah, dude.
Okay. How you like filming from your phone?
I mean, it's easy because I don't have to carry on that thing, but
Right.
I'm saving up money to buy a Sony A5300.
Okay, good start.
I'm working on it.
Everyone's like, well, what do I need? Like, what camera should I buy? What is it? You can film from a phone, have it be just fine.
Yeah, it works.
This is a great example.
It's pretty practical. It's like you literally just throw it in your pocket and just bring it anywhere. It's all good.
Easy,
you know?
Because everyone's always asking me, like, oh, what camera should I buy? This camera. I'm like, don't spend so much money on a damn camera if you haven't made a video before.
Exactly.
And I always say, like, use your cell phone. Like, use like.
Go to the drivers.
We don't. I don't know what snow is, so I don't kind of use a word for that. The drivers here are so aggressive.
Yeah, they'll
Like,
cut you off.
The first day I was like, Jesus Christ. Everyone's just like just going back and forth. I'm like,
Yeah, and then if you do it to them, they instantly go road rage on you.
Well, Boston's notorious for its terrible roads. Like, the roads make no sense.
yeah, the roads are.
We're full of assholes.
You just gave him a better read. Dude, literally every day someone's like, dude, I fucking quit my job to come here. I'm not that cool.
Can I give a shout out to his brother?
Give a shout out to his brother.
My brother is shopping with my mom right now instead of being here with TJ.
Mama's boy.
Yep, mama's boy. He's a mama's boy.
Should have told him to come to this market.
Okay.
Yeah. Dominic, nice to meet you. Austin, nice to meet you guys. Anybody else new? I haven't seen you. Okay, I've seen you guys. Well, actually,
Didn't say hi.
didn't say hi. What's your name, man?
Jackson.
Nice to meet you guys. We're all, okay, so all right. So right now the record is at 4 hours. Anybody drive more than 4 hours? I'm still trying to figure 2 hours.
I drove like an hour and a half. Hour and a half.
Okay.
Who's at 7 minutes? Where'd you come from?
7 minutes?
Oh my gosh.
Look at it. Look at that. Just destroyed.
What are we peeking at? That camber?
Look at that, dude.
Dude, that's dope.
Uh-oh. What is going on here?
Yeah, you gotta race him.
TJ, ram it. Just ram it right into him. Smoke him.
I'll put it in sport mode. You can see how fast.
Drag
it
race.
goes
Just
around.
drag race.
It's gnarly.
Bye. Oh. A little close. Just a little close. Whoa. How high does that thing go? Like, what's the max range?
Legally or like how much I do?
Just how much you do.
I got up to 1,200 feet.
That's crazy.
That's not.
If it comes out of range, does it just like fall?
Yeah, what happens if it goes out of range?
If it comes out of range,
It comes back to home.
It's got like the GPS tracking or whatever.
Oh, that's. Here we go.
Here we go.
All right, thank you.
Hey!
That was sick! Oh god! That was so cool!
Nah, dude. You want to do like the vlog thing? We'll vlogging at the same time.
We can do the.
That's still just for the picture at least.
Oh, we got it.
Super loud.
Alright, thanks, man. Just put like my name in the video. That'd be dope. Pretty dope. Noob Killer Mike. Weekly vlogs. We're doing it. We're at like 290 subs. We gotta get there.
There you go. There you go.
Alright,
Awesome,
thanks, man. Look at all these people. It just keeps going. parking lot with my brand new Ferrari. You want to know how I got this Ferrari? Knowledge. Best part of the car. Best part. Sponsored by Trey. Red, white, blue.
And it's all stock. Like,
That sounds so clean, dude. I'm headed out.
You heading out?
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, man.
Hope you
Thank
have
you
a
for
good time.
coming out, man.
No problem, dude.
Appreciate it.
Keep up the good work.
I will.
Alright guys, so the car meet's over. We are all super burnt. It's all good though. It was awesome meet. TJ is a great guy. Evan's a great guy. The whole crew's awesome. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.